Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. And we're starting on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So today is non-farm payroll news, and this could be a pretty big news event because we haven't had this news event in a long time because of the US government shutdown. So it definitely could have a big effect on the market. Now, the trend is definitely down on the daily, and whenever the trend is down, I always lean towards the trend as in perhaps the trend could keep on going. But we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. That definitely could be an area of support. And to be honest with you, it would make sense for this to be like an A, B, C like this, or perhaps maybe even a 1, 2, 3 like this. But either way, we don't want to speculate too much. All we really care about is that the trend is still down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where we can see on the 1 to 2 hour time frame the most recent structures right here. So as always, if we do get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I will be more than happy to start trading in the other direction. As of right now, the trend is definitely down, but we have what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. We have a nice structure right here. We have a Fibonacci level, so it does make sense for us to possibly get a break of structure to the upside. And then we're just gonna have to see if it just starts a brand new impulsive move to the upside, or if it just ends up making a corrective move to the last push down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.